would see me, King of glory, yet you call me yours. Eze Na-achi Eze. I have walked through valleys low, where fear was all I knew, fighting battles on my own, not knowing what to do. My heart was filled with fear. I thought I was alone, but in the middle of my darkness, you were on the throne. You reign above it all. Nothing is beyond your power. Every knee will bow, every tongue confess. You are the King above all kings. Eze Na-achi Eze. No one else can take your place. You reign forever from the heavens to the earth. All creation sings. Eze Na-achi Eze. You are Lord of all. Yeah, you saw me in my weakness, still you called my name, lifted me from ashes. Now I'll never be the same. I give you my praise for the love you showed to me. You are not just a mighty king, you are everything I need. Mountains bow before you, demons flee your name. At the sound of your voice, everything must change. You are the King above all kings. Eze Na-achi Eze. No one else can stand like you. You reign forever from the heavens to the earth. Let your glory rise. Eze Na-achi Eze. Be lifted high. Take your place upon the throne. In my heart, in my life, in my life. Rule and reign, Lord. Be glorified. Every crown I lay it down, every crown I lay it down, every crown I lay it down. At your feet, my King. Eze Na-achi Eze. Eze Na-achi Eze. Eze Na-achi Eze. Eze Na-achi Eze. You reign forever, you reign. Eze Na-achi Eze. Eze Na-achi Eze. You are the King above all kings. Eze Na-achi Eze. Every nation, every tongue will declare your name. Hey, all the glory, all the praise belongs to you alone. Eze Na-achi Eze. Forever you are God. Eze Na-achi Eze. We bow before you, King of kings, Lord of all.